Yeah, what's going on, guys? Quick video for you today. Wanted to do an unboxing on the Hyper Tough 12 volt impact wrench. This is their version of a Stubby. I was at Walmart and decided to pick it up at $54 with the charger and a battery. I figure I'll have this for like a dedicated, probably just leave a 10 millimeter on it and just use it for, little bolts like valve cover, for valve cover gaskets, stuff like that. Just keep a permanent socket on it. So let's open it up and take a quick look. Got 225 foot-pounds of breakaway, 2-speed. That's how she comes in the package. With the charger, tool, and battery. You can see the design is very similar to the Milwaukee. There they are side by side. Came halfway charged up. Give it a shot tomorrow. Take off some lug nuts. Got fur all over me from the dog. But, I mean, at $54, 2-speed, brushless. I mean, I really don't think you can go wrong if you're a do-it-yourselfer. I mean, it's nice to have, name brand stuff, but we'll see how it works. I think this is a pretty good buy, though. Just a quick look. I'll compare them next to the Gen 1 just because they're similar in specs. I believe this is 250 foot-pound breakaway, 225. Obviously, this is, way too much of a beast. But we'll see how it stacks up.